Good day, shoebox friends. This is Val. Welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, thanks for tuning in. And I hope that you enjoy watching an unboxing. This is a box that I packed for Operation Christmas Child. This is a box for a girl 5 to 9. It has a cat slash Hello Kitty theme. I packed it in a larger plastic tote with the lid that locks on with the handle. It's the first time I've used this kind of box, and so let me show you what I packed. It's really full. I say that all the time, but it's true. This lid I decorated with just some sticker flowers. Kind of goes with my Hello Kitty theme. I have a play mat. I make these. They're play mat, and they also double as dry erase. They're laminated, and they're just blank white on the back so that the child can write on, draw on, wipe off. And that reminds me, I need to pack dry erase markers and a dry erase eraser, and I hope I can fit in the box. Sorry about the glare. I added just some little Hello Kitty stickers so it will fit with my theme. So that is the playmat, and I have a photo of my family and a note to the child. I have a card. This is also a card that I made. It says Hello Sunshine on it, and then inside I just have a bunch of Hello Kitty stickers. So that is our special note to the child. And I packed on top a drawstring backpack tote bag. I just got this in a pack. It came in a pack of 3 from Hobby Lobby. It was part of their Playside Creations collection, and I was very surprised when I went in because I didn't know, but this past weekend Hobby Lobby had all Playside Creations items on sale for 50% off. I love it when I come across sales like that. A shirt. This is size medium. Fits my theme, even though that cat is kind of pouting. I guess that's what cats do. It says the Aristocats on it, and it's very cute anyway, and I think this girl will love that cat shirt. Pencil pouch. This is like a fuzzy one. I got this on clearance at Walmart after school last year when school supplies went on clearance. I believe I paid 25 cents. I know I got lucky and I got a bunch of different kinds of pencil pouches for 25 cents at my Walmart last year. I hope that kind of sale happens again this year. So she has a bunch of pencils. I didn't put the school supplies in the pouch because they packed better, just putting them in loosely. Some pens, red, black, blue, pink, and purple. I got a lot of pens at a good price in multi-packs at Walgreens not too long ago. Some pencils, some number 2 lead pencils, unsharpened, and then some novelty pencils. I have to put some washi tape around the tips so they don't get all over, like the white washcloth and everything that I've packed in here. And I went to 2 or 3 Dollar Trees looking for those really cute Hello Kitty pencils, and I couldn't find any. But anyway, these pencils are cute. Pink, rainbow, confetti, and striped. She has this flatware in a case. I got this at Walmart. I only got a couple of these, and I love them. I wish I had gotten more. I think I might have gotten the last 2. I can't remember if they were on clearance or if I paid full price, but they weren't that much. And inside, it came with a spoon and a fork and a knife. I took the knife out. I didn't see any need to pack that, and I wanted to make more room for these cute toothbrushes that I got at Dollar Tree Hello Kitty. These are kid size, and So since this is for a 5 to 9-year-old, I'm pretty sure I can find room. I think I'm going to pack a third toothbrush, an adult-sized toothbrush. But I'm still going to keep the Hello Kitty toothbrushes in because they fit my theme. A collapsible water bottle because that's all I could make fit in this box. I get these on Amazon. They come 10 to a pack. They're real good water bottles. I've tried them out. White washcloth. A puzzle from Dollar Tree, a cat puzzle, cute pinks. This cat's wearing pink sunglasses or pink glasses. 88 pieces, which is a good puzzle to pack in a 5 to 9 box. I took it out of the original packaging and put it in the Ziploc and cut out the image of the puzzle so the little girl can see what she's putting together. A pair of nice socks. These are athletics type socks, real thick, tie-dye pink. Umbro brand. I got these in a multi-pack at Walmart on clearance. She has this Hello Kitty hairbrush. It's very cute. Hello Kitty in a plane, flying in a plane. I got it at Kohl's. Kohl's has these wet brand hairbrushes in different themes. I've seen Minnie Mouse and Barbie and Disney princesses, and they're a good thing to buy if you have Kohl's Cash or Kohl's Rewards or Kohl's coupon, because they're not real cheap, but they're very nice, and once in a while I like to splurge on those. She has, I don't have room in here for a bigger plushie because I have a different Hello Kitty Wow item toy, but I put in these little ones, and this I got on clearance at Walmart. It was, I think, the only one left. There might have been a couple. These hair scrunchies actually came with it. I clipped them off, you know, the little plastic fastener, and just put them around the Hello Kitty or the kitty's neck for space saving purposes. And then I got this other little plushie, I think at Dollar Tree. So she's got some soft plushies, even though small. And she's got crayons and markers, Crazy Art from Walmart, and a packet of unicorn kitty stickers, also from Walmart, and a plastic bag with soap in it, and ivory soap, and a little lip balm. It's real cute. It has a unicorn kitty on it. She has, this is the toy that I got on clearance at Walmart. It was the only one in the clearance aisle, and it's very cute. When I have 3 daughters, and when they were little, they would have loved this. They loved playing with little mini toy sets, and it's real cute. It's kind of got a pool, watermelon kind of fun theme, and so it opens up. And then inside, I packed a few extra things that didn't come with it. I packed some hair ties and some hair clips. This is a cross necklace that I got at Hobby Lobby. I pack these in all my boxes. So she's got some pink and silver glittery hair ties, some hair clips, pink sparkly with silver sparkly foam hearts attached to the clip. She's got these hair ties, which I think double as bracelets. Those all came in a set, along with these two from Walmart, which I got on clearance. And I stuck in a pink eraser for school. And then everything else came with the set. It's very cute. It has all these little trinkets with it, these little characters, Hello Kitty, and this other little character, which is a bird. I'm not real familiar with Hello Kitty characters, but there's a hammock and this little hat that you can put on the character. And it's got all these little compartments and little pegs that you can put the characters on. This pops up and unfolds, and it's a slide to the pool, so the characters can slide down that slide. Very cute. These pieces can be moved around to different places in the set. And on this side, this is cute. This pops up, and then it's a pencil holder. And it came with this one pencil, and I happen to have some little golf pencils, so I added those. And her full-size pencils will actually also fit in these little pencil holders. So she, that's real fun. I happen to have these golf pencils, so I added those. It only came with one. And then it came with some stickers, some Hello Kitty stickers. And I added a piece of the packaging so that she could see how to use the pieces, and where she could put the pieces in the little toy. And then just another piece of the packaging that she might have some fun with. It came with this little Hello Kitty stencil, and it came and this pops up, and it has a little surfboard on it, so Hello Kitty can sit right on that surfboard. Very cute. You can move the pieces around. It's very cute. And then there's these little erasers in there. They look like watermelons, and you put this piece on that piece, and it's shaped like a sailboat. Very cute. So that's the little Hello Kitty toy play set that I got on clearance at Walmart. And then she has a pair of shoes. These are light up shoes. Rainbow colors, light up. They light up. So very cute. I love the colors. And inside the shoes, I stuffed them full. These headbands, Hello Kitty headbands, came with the brush from Kohl's. I've got 2 underwears, size 8. She has this headband, or this pair of socks, footy socks. So she has 2 pair of socks, one long, one footy pair. She's got a toy in here. This actually came from McDonald's in a Happy Meal. Last year around Halloween time, they had they had a Hello Kitty promotion, and they had all these Hello Kitty figures with different costumes on. This one is superheroes. So you push this at the bottom, it looks like she's flying. How cute is that? Little superhero Hello Kitty. So she also has this headband from Walmart with a bow on it. She has some more Hello Kitty figures. This one is a Princess Hello Kitty. This one is, these didn't come in a Happy Meal, but they came like, I got them like in an Easter egg, a pink Easter egg, plastic Easter egg. So I don't know if I got them after Easter or if it was after Halloween. It might have been after Halloween even, because they're all dressed in little different costumes. This one is a little Hello Kitty mummy. And then this one is just a eraser. I guess it's a pencil topper, maybe. Anyway, that's cute. And a pencil sharpener. Double opening for crayons and pencils with some pencil cap erasers tucked inside. And a glue stick wrapped in plastic in case there's a melting issue. And a pair of kids' scissors for school. And love these sunglasses that I got on clearance at Walmart for $1. These are Hello Kitty sunglasses. They're very cute. I love this little Hello Kitty bow up here in the corner, and these are 100% UV protection. So those are real nice sunglasses. And then she has a packet of sticky tabs that she can have some fun with. Those are unicorn cats on there. And then she has a pink highlighter, little mini one that I got for 39 cents at Walgreens. So that's what I stuffed in the shoes. And then she has a pad of paper with a cat design. I got these a couple years ago at the dollar spot at Target, and it's just blank paper on the inside to draw, put her stickers on. And she has a pink composition book. I got this at the Dollar Tree Jot brand. I liked it because it's pink and because it's very flexible. It has 70 sheets. She has a full size. I like to put full size rulers in when I can, but usually I just pack a 6-inch. This is flexible, so it fit real nicely in here, and it's purple, so it kind of goes with my box. And it has a metric system and a coloring book, coloring and activity book, Hello Kitty. I believe from the Dollar Tree. It was either Dollar Tree or Five Below. Those are usually, or Michael's. It might have been Michael's. Those are the 3 places I usually get my coloring books. I love the images inside. Big images. That'll be really fun to color. And a few games like mazes and dot to dot. And then the bandana I got that's lining the box I got in the clearance aisle at Michael's for $1. This has pinks and purples, so it goes with my box. And so I really like this bandana, and I hope this little girl likes it too. And so that is my Hello Kitty box, my cat/kitty featuring Hello Kitty box that I packed for a girl in the age range of 5 to 9. And if you saw something you liked, I hope you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, any comments you want to leave below are really appreciated, and I love reading them because I love your ideas, and I love to hear about what you liked. And I get a lot of inspiration from all of you, and I hope that maybe I have given some inspiration here today. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, goodbye.